Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وَإِذْ أَوْحَيْتُ إِلَى الْحَوَارِيِّينَ أَنْ آمِنُوا بِي وَبِرَسُولِي قالوا آمنا واشهد بأننا مسلمون. Translation: And recall when I inspired to the disciples of Isa to believe in me and in my messenger. They said, we believe, and you bear witness that we are Muslims surrendered to Allah. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inspired the disciples of Jesus alayhi salam, and the inspiration or the revelation was to believe in Allah and Allah's messenger. And then the disciples said that we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His messenger, and Allah, you bear witness that we are Muslims and we are surrendered to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. An important point in this ayah is the word awhaytu, which means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inspired to the disciples or sent wahi to the disciples. Or this word wahi is usually considered that it is only used for the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is incorrect. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used this word for the honeybee, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inspired the honeybee. So if the meaning of awhaytu is taken that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inspired the hearts of the Bani Israel that they should accept the iman and stay on the iman or believe, then it is correct and there is nothing wrong in this interpretation. And if the word awhaytu's meaning is taken that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the message to His messenger Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and he told the disciples about the message, then this interpretation is right as well. Inshallah al-Aziz, tomorrow we will start the next 4 ayahs in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about the demand of the disciples of Jesus alayhi salam about the table spread with food or khwan from the heaven. And inshallah we will start these ayahs tomorrow. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.